I'm a mechanical engineer, and I work in the heating and cooling side of it, HVAC. Within that, my specialty is laboratories and higher ed in terms of healthcare. And I've been doing this for 18 years. And one of the things that I like about my job is problem solving, and it's always a different problem each day. My typical day at work involves sitting at my desk and answering RFIs, questions from the contractor, doing design calculations, meeting with my team in the office environment to solve how we're going to design the system. Some of the days I'll go on site and I will survey what the contractor has built in the field to make sure that it is up to our codes and standards that we have done in our specifications. I wanted to tell others about engineering that it's not just math and science, it's also helping people, because what engineers do is design a building and the HVAC systems so that everybody can have healthy, clean, fresh air, and so that they can be more healthy. I would recommend going into engineering to solve problems for other people so that we can have a better environment, both living environment as well as better environment for the earth. One of the coolest moments I had as an engineer was working on a large office building in Maryland, and having designed the systems for it, then I got to visit the building and see it in fruition and see that it was being used as a cafeteria, and to see all of the supplies and returns being utilized correctly. I guess the most college class I've used is thermodynamics in terms of heating and cooling and airflow. I think it's interesting that when you start off as engineer and you learn in school how to design the perfect widget, then you come to the real world, and most industries, there's not a perfect widget and you make a million of them. In the building and sciences, there's one perfect widget and then the next perfect widget. And so not only do you have to know the math and science behind it, but you also have to know how to have the team building to communicate with the non-technical people your design.